Hi, you guys. Welcome back to the channel, Our Relaxing Life. Now, this month is Kids Month, and we are doing yoga for kids for this month. And pretty soon, we're going to have a bonus video. And so grab your kid. If you don't have a kid, that's okay. You can do this and you're comfortable of your own home, and there's no judgment, okay? All right, let's roll out our mats and let's get started. So we are going to start in shoulder rolls. You're gonna roll your shoulders. You're gonna roll them backwards, and then you can roll them forwards. Get that loosened up and sit tall. All right, next, I want you to sit sideways. We're gonna do forward fold, and we're gonna reach our arms to our feet. Now you can bend your knees if you need to, as much as you need to, or you can have them straight out, whichever one is best for you. And then don't forget to breathe in and out. 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 All right, next, we are going to get into, we're gonna fold our legs and get into hero pose. Or we can call it Batgirl pose. Either way, whichever one. Whatever is your favorite superhero, put that in the comment section below. See? Batgirl. All right, now you're gonna reach up to the sky. Reach and hold that beach ball, that imaginary beach ball. All right, put your arms down. And we're gonna take off our hood. And then we're gonna be doing the pose of the month. And that will be, we'll have that link right here when it comes. And what you're gonna do is, lion's breath is you open up your mouth and have your arms back and go. Or you can go. Big lion. Yeah. All right. So, see you guys next week for another kids video. And if you enjoyed this, please like, share, and subscribe today, and share it with somebody that might help them. All right, see you guys next week. Bye for now.